LEGO with the driver for World Champion. Amazing.
Okay, so this is going to be quite hard to capture, and you won't be able to see my reactions to anything, because I'm going to be trying to mainly focus on catching the car. And also, this desk, although it is quite big, isn't really big enough, I don't think. Now, as you can see, I have already opened this because I did buy this second-hand off eBay. Because as I said, I wasn't actually that bothered about getting this set, but I thought, you know, it's going to be quite cool. I might as well finish the set, but I didn't really want to pay full price for it. So I bought this a bit cheaper, but apparently it's never been built. But I wanted to check that, obviously, everything was in the package, but it said so. I think I got scammed. And I'll be honest, I genuinely do think I got scammed. So, if you actually look at this, in this video, everything, every page is very, very different. See, that's the first page there, and you can see it's got these 3 steps over on this page, just on that one page, whereas I have all of these steps on these couple of pages, which is wrong. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. I mean, it is the official LEGO box. There is no doubt about that. I checked this before I bought it, just in case I did get scammed. It is the official LEGO box. You know, maybe this got damaged and they've reprinted it somehow. I don't know. I should have checked this earlier, but I wanted to have an authentic reaction to opening it, so I should have recorded this within 30 days of having it. It's been 2 months now. I bought it back in November. It's a shame. It sucks, but nevertheless, I'm still going to make a video and I'm still going to build it, because maybe they just ripped it by accident. I don't know. Probably not. I did try and contact the seller as well, just to kind of maybe see if I can clear things up. The seller has closed their profile on eBay, so I'm pretty sure they've been mass reported by people. They've done this multiple times. And even though eBay probably knows that, there's nothing they can do for my instance. But, oh well, it is what it is. It just seems that just the booklet is different. I mean, maybe the instructions are the same. They're just crammed onto pages. But anyway, off we go, I suppose, to start this. I'm going to try and capture this in the best way possible. You won't be able to see the instructions, but you won't need to anyway. I'll be time-lapsing it onto this. Boom. Now we have some spare parts, and that is the first pack completed. Hold this up to the camera so you can kind of see the progress. It's going to be very, very hard to see because my camera sucks, and this is black. And my camera seems to suck when any black objects on the screen. It doesn't seem to pick them up very well. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell, we've got 2 suspension arms here on both sides. And there's a lot of stuff actually going on here which you're not be able to tell. When I spin this cog here at the back, it is moving the wheels. I don't know if you can see that. I'm assuming those are the wheels, I'm pretty sure they are. And obviously vice versa, when I move the wheels it spins everything else, and it spins quite nicely. Which must mean I've done this right. On to the next pack. Okay, so this is now pack 2 done. We have some leftovers which I can already see of Ben coming up further up, as you can see here. Which of these I have over here just out of the camera's view, I think, or maybe just too dark to see. So these are going to be used in the next pack. Strange that they're left over from this pack and not put in with that pack. So there you go. It's a lot bigger now, as you can see. There's a lot more progress made. It's still really hard for you to see the progress. We have what looks to be a steering wheel. It doesn't really say DRS or anything on here, and you can't really see it too well. No, you can't really see it at all. It is working. Everything is working so far. It is turning all the wheels. But yeah, pretty cool so far on to pack 3. Okay, and there we go, that is pack 3 done. You can see now we've made kind of another, I don't even know how you'd say this. You've got 2 suspension arms here on each side again. We've also got the wheels on each side, which when we move this, it moves everything. So yeah, we've got a lot of moving parts again on this piece. Anyway, pack 3 done. Okay, so here we go, that is pack 4 done now, and as you can see we have again, I think we had this last time anyway, so I'm not going to explain all this, but everything's still moving and operational, and we have the rear wing. But yeah, that's pack 4 done. We're making some good progress and a lot of serial progress now. We got some stickers going on, we have the rain light down there, and we have the exhaust. Okay, so I accidentally went on to pack 6 and just carried on building, just like losing focus. But at the end of pack 5 now, it's hard to get this whole thing in frame. It literally is bigger than my camera will actually capture, at least this close on this desk. But now we have the engine in, that you can see there. It does actually work, but yeah, it's awesome so far, and you can see how much work goes into this. This is 6 packs worth, which is around 10-9 hours of work, and I have a frame of a car. Right, that was pack 6 done. That was the fastest pack so far, I think. That was probably only 40-50-ish minutes. But as you can see now, we have a a nice solid underfloor, I think this is called. It's starting to really come together now. Okay, so now it is even harder to fit this thing in frame. We have obviously the rear wing, which we did earlier. Obviously all this bodywork going on. Now we have the front wing and the nose cone, which is really detailed. And we have these wheel arches here, which are really cool. I think this thing looks incredible. This thing looks sick already. I can't wait to see it when it's done. I'm now on to pack 10, so there now is actually only 3 bags left to do. Okay, that is the 10th pack done. Another fast pack done in about 40 minutes. Now we have this, which I don't actually know what this is called on an F1 car, but it's the area behind the cockpit. And we have this little cog here at the top, which now controls the steering wheel and the 2 front wheels. Okay, that was the 11th pack done. We are now on to the next pack. I'm going to keep this one short. Not too many changes here. We've got the halo now up in place, and a couple of other little details done, along with the side mirrors here that come out the sides, which are a bit hard to see at the moment. And then I've got this spare piece, which is coming into the next build. And there we have it, the build is complete. The car actually does look really good, and even if it was a scam, it's quite a good one because it looks exactly the same. And whether or not it is authentic or not, at least it looks the part. As you can see there, the cover comes off. See now by me moving it, the engine moves, everything works crisp, and like all functions really nice, everything is really smooth, all the gears move really smooth. But we're not done quite yet.